In a circle of radius r, the area A of a sector with a central angle of theta radians is given by the formula A equals 1/2 times r squared theta. So we're going to use this formula to answer the next few questions. A sector of a circle has a central angle of 60 degrees. Find the area of the sector if the radius of the circle is 3 miles. So let's pick out what we know. Central angle of 60 degrees, so theta equals 60 degrees, but don't forget that theta has to be in radians. So while we have what theta is, we need to convert it to radians. And to do that, we're going to multiply it by pi over 180. And I'm just going to disregard the degree measurement there. We don't need it anymore. So 60 times 180, pi over 180 is going to give us pi over 3. Next, radius of the circle is 3 miles, so r equals 3. And now we have what we need to find the area. So A equals 1/2 r squared theta. So A equals 1/2 r squared theta. Area equals 1/2 3 squared times pi over 3. And we work all this out, we're going to get an area that is equal to 3 pi over 2 miles squared. Next, the area of a sector of a circle with a central angle of 2 radians is 16 meters squared. Find the radius of the circle. So again, let's pick out what we know. Central angle of 2 radians, so theta is equal to 2 because it says 2 rad, so 2 radians, so it's already in the form we want. Next, it says the area of a sector of a circle is 16 meters squared. So that means A is equal to 16. Now that we have these two, we can find the radius of the circle. So A equals 1/2 r squared theta. 16 equals 1/2 r squared times 2. So I'm going to divide the 2 over and then multiply by 2 as well. So I'm going to end up getting 16 equals r squared. And then square root both sides. I'm going to get 4 meters for the radius. And as always, since I'm dealing with a length or a distance, I will disregard the negative because you cannot have a negative distance. So 4 meters is the radius. Last, a sector of a circle of radius 24 miles has an area of 288 miles squared. Find the central angle of the sector. So let's begin pick out what we know. Radius of 24 miles, so r equals 24. Area of 288, so A equals 288. Now I'm going to plug it all in and figure out what the central angle of the sector is. And that would just be what theta is. So A equals 1/2 r squared theta. 288 equals 1/2 times 24 squared theta. And so I'm going to multiply the 2 over. So I'm going to get 576 equals 24 squared, which is 576 theta. And then divide by 576. I'm going to get 1 radian is equal to theta. So theta is equal to 1 rad.